What up, Raff leaders? Welcome back to my channel. Here we are back at Timehri Airport. We want to see what's happening with this new Marriott hotel. Just going to show you this junction near to the entrance to the Timehri Airport. That's Camp Stevenson, and in the distance that is the Jagan International Airport. You can barely see it from this distance, but we'll take a closer look at it a little later. What we are doing here is taking an update of this hotel. This is the Courtyard Marriott, and this is a little park in the middle of this roundabout. So in the roundabout, I've shown you this roundabout before, they've built a small garden, and we're walking around the garden to see the sign that you see at the entrance. So when you're leaving the airport, the exit, when you're leaving the airport for the first time and you arrive in Guyana, this is what you see: welcome to Guyana. But right at this junction, this exit, this welcome to Guyana exit from the airport terminals, there is this. It's called the Courtyard Marriott, and it's been 6 months in the making. So this is about 6 months since they started to build this hotel, and we want to see what's happened in the last 6 months. So last time we were here was about a month ago, and the first time I actually thought of making a video of this hotel was in December. But when I came here in December, and you can see those videos for December 2022, they had not even started to construct this hotel. And when I returned again in, what is it, April or May, I believe, they had built 6 floors. So this is where it is at now. It seems to be about the same as it was last month, and like I said in the previous video, the Chinese seem to build very, very quickly, and I expected this to be completed in 6 months, but it's close. So this is what they're building. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 floors, right, including the ground floor, 6 floors, and it seems as if they've already completed 6 floors. It says Courtyard Marriott, and they have a number of companies listed. There is the Quinjiang Group, which is also building that Best Western Hotel in Georgetown on Oredock and Robb Street. There's Basu Building and Civil Engineering Contractors. There's Canadian Investment Inc. There's the Guyana government, the government of Guyana. There is Go Invest. There's International Airport, Republic Bank, and the WB Consulting Group. So apparently there are a number of entities involved in the construction of this Courtyard Marriott Hotel. It seems as if there's about, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 8 different entities combining their investments to build this hotel. And the last time we were here, it seems as if they had built at least the same number of floors as we can see right now. It says, what? Floor number, from here we can see, right, it's going to be a 6-floor hotel. That says 2F, so I expect that to be floor number 2. This is floor number 3. 4F, that's floor number 4. And the next one says 5F, right, that's floor number 5. And the top floor is floor number 6. So those blue signs indicate the floors that have been completed, and it seems as if there's only one more floor to build, the 6th floor at the top, and it's on the construction. So I think the last time we were here they had built about 3 or 4 floors. You can go back and check that video out to see where they were the last time we were in this neck of the woods. So let's take a little walk around and see what's going on in this neck of the woods. So this is the Courtyard Marriott, and apparently the Quinjiang Group, Chinese construction firm, is also building this hotel along with the Best Western in Georgetown. The Best Western, I think, in Georgetown is further along than this, but I think they have been building that one for much longer. So this is about 6 months of work. This is the fuel stations at the airport. I've shown you those before. And I want to show you the other side. So this is the exit, what we can call the industrial exit. You know, the sort of workers exit, employees exit. And this is what the other side away from the airport, I think, based on tracking the sun, that's the west. So this would be the south side. This is the south side of this new Courtyard Marriott. And on the south side they have these aviation fuel stations. They're operated by Rubis. And straight ahead, that's the tower. Right, the control tower for the airport, for the aircraft. Right, so, and over here there are a couple of old hangars and what seems to be not so old aircraft in the distance. So there's another set of hangars over there that are operational. So what's going on here? It seems as if work is being done on the frame, on the superstructure, the outside, not yet on the inside. So they haven't yet put in internal walls, because you can see right through the building. You can see light coming through from the other side. So they're still building the frame, the outside probably casting the concrete and reinforced concrete. So this is the Timehri Courtyard Marriott, or Chetty Jagan Airport Marriott hotel, located here on the complex, the Timehri Airport complex. And on this side, very close by, you can see some aircraft on the tarmac, right, and close to the hangars, right? There's some airport hangars on that side. What we're doing is showing you the perspective. That's looking west, right, looking west at the Courtyard Marriott. Crane still working on the top floors. So it seems as if the 6th floor is on the construction. They seem to have completed the 5th floor ceiling, and they have to build now the walls and ceiling for the 6th floor. There may also be a deck garden on the top. This is the airport. This is one view of the airport. There seems to be an aircraft at the gate. Alright, so, and there's one also taking off right now. See, Suriname Airways, it seems. Suriname Airways is about to take off from the Timehri Airport, heading down the runway. And this is the air bridge. Alright, that's the air bridge. And like I said in previous videos, it is already in use. But what we're here to do is to see this building, to get a perspective on how fast and how close it is to completion. My guess, my estimate is that they will complete this building by the end of the year based on how quickly they're building it, because it's going pretty quickly. In January there was nothing here except a fence. You can go back to the video from I think December 2022 when I made a bunch of videos of this section of the airport, and there was nothing here. But now, as you can see, there is the Courtyard Marriott. I'm quite impressed with the pace at which this construction project is going. I think they're probably going to complete it faster, much faster than they did the Georgetown Marriott. The building design seems somewhat simpler and it is smaller. In terms of square footage, it seems smaller than the Georgetown Marriott. I don't know how many rooms it will eventually contain. We'll get some details on that later. But that's the details, guys. That's the update. That's the update here. Seems there are a couple of airport. Oh, it seems as if that Suriname Airways flight was arriving. So they were not taking off. They were arriving. So now they're actually taxiing into the gate area. And so now there are two aircrafts sitting in the terminal, at the terminal. One of them seems to be, what is that? Caribbean Airlines, and the other seems to be the newly arrived Suriname Airways. This is the tower, control tower. Right, the air traffic controllers are actually stationed in this tower from which they do their work. And over here, that's the Marriott Hotel. So this is it, guys. This is the update of the Marriott Airport here at Timehri. The Marriott Hotel here at Timehri Airport. And it seems as if they are making progress. It's about 6 p.m. on Tuesday afternoon. And it seems as if they're probably going to complete this hotel by the end of the year. I still have to bring you the inside view of the Pegasus Suites and Corporate Center. We're going to do that in a future video, and I promise this month to bring you some updates, some inside views of some of the new malls and eateries, eating places that have been constructed in the last year or so, because a lot of the development has been infrastructure, but also a lot of it has also been in terms of new businesses and new companies and so on. So we're going to take a look and review some of those new companies that are being built in Guyana. I think I brought you a video of the new Starbucks. I never did a video on the inside of the new movie town. I'll probably do that this month and do a review of some of the places to eat and some places to shop in that neck of the woods, and the new Cinnabon at that old mall. So that's what's coming up, guys, for the rest of this month. If you want to see more content like this, click like and subscribe. This is the update of the Courtyard Marriott at Timehri Hotel, and it seems to be moving apace. It seems as if they're going to complete it this year, and as soon as it's completed, I will show you the inside, as I've done in the past for the old, well, what is now the old Marriott, but the Georgetown Marriott. If you want to see more content like this, click like and subscribe. In the comments below, tell me what you think about this development here. This is the new Courtyard Marriott. It seems as if it's going to be completed in a year, and it's being funded by a number of entities, 8 of them by my count, and we expect them to complete it by the end of 2023, at least based on my assessment of the place. That's the exit. Share this video, let people know what's happening in Georgetown, in Guyana, in Timehri, at Timehri, the fastest growing country in the world. Later.